Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the fourth lecture of fuels. In this lecture, I am going to talk about the numerical problem based on bomb calorimeter. I hope you have seen my last video, and in the last video we were discussing about the determination of calorific value using bomb calorimeter. And in the last we have derived a formula for the calculation of calorific value using the bomb calorimeter. In this lecture we are going to discuss the numericals based on the formula derived in the last video. So let us start discussion on the first numerical. It says about 0.7 gram of the fuel containing 80% of carbon when burned in a bomb calorimeter increased the temperature of water from 27 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius. If calorimeter contains 250 gram of water and 150 gram is the water equivalent, calculate HCV of the fuel in kilocalorie per kg. Now you see, अगर इस स्टेटमेंट को हम ध्यान से देखें तो हमारे पास what is this? This is X of in the formula. This value is useless. When burnt in calorimeter, increase the temperature from this to this. That means this is the room temperature and this is the maximum temperature achieved. If calorimeter contain 250 gram of water is the capital W. This one is the small w, that is water equivalent, and rest there is nothing. These numericals are totally based on the formula. So we just need to identify the values and put directly these value in the formula and we will get the results. So what is that formula? Let me write again. HCV is equal to capital W plus small w delta T upon X. Now if you see, we are not provided with the corrections. So that means all the corrections are zero. इसमें corrections नहीं दे रखी हैं, इसका मतलब जितने भी corrections हमने उस फॉर्मूले में देखी थी वो क्या एग्जैक्ट अगर फुल फॉर्मूला अगर हम देखें तो ये क्या बनता है डेल्टा टी प्लस टी सी माइनस सी ए सी 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 एफ. So अब इसमें according to this definition, according to this statement, TC is not given, that means TC is 0, CC is not given, CA is not given, CC is not given, CF is not given, that means all the things which are not provided to us are 0. तो इसलिए the formula reduced to the first formula जो हमने discuss किया था without corrections. So this is the formula we are going to use to calculate the calorific value in this case. So capital W, you see the amount of water is 250 gram. What is small w, that is water equivalent, is 150. Delta T means T2 minus T, final minus initial, that is 2, 29 minus 27 upon X is 0.7. So this comes out to be 400 into 2 upon 0.7. And if we solve this, the value comes out to be 1142.86 calorie per gram. Now you see the value of HCV comes out to be in calorie per gram, but we need to calculate the HCV in kilocalorie per kg. So in kilocalorie per kg, the value become, instead of calorie you will get kilocalorie, instead of gram you will get kilogram. So simply you can convert and the value remains the same, numerical value remains the same, just the unit will only change. Let us see the second numerical. The statement of this numerical says about 0.8 gram of fuel sample contains 90% carbon, 6% hydrogen, 4% ash. On testing with bomb calorimeter, following data were recorded. Weight of water 500 gram, Water equivalent of calorimeter is 2200 gram. Rise in temperature is 2.4 degrees Celsius. Fuse wire correction is 8 calorie. Acid correction is 50 gram. Find gross and net calorific value of the coal, assuming the heat of condensation of steam as 587 calorie per gram. So this is the numerical. Again, as it is based on bomb calorimeter, and the formula for bomb calorimeter is, bomb calorimeter से हमें high calorific value पता लगती है, तो HCV the formula is, or GCV, high calorific value and GCV gross calorific value both are same, and the formula you know, capital W plus small w delta T. Now if you say, see, cooling correction is given, cooling correction is not given, that's okay. Delta T is given, fuse wire correction is given, acid correction is given. तो हम जो फॉर्मूला है, जो मींस जो सेकंड वाला फॉर्मूला है, जो करेक्टेड फॉर्मूला है, वो इस्तेमाल करेंगे. एंड द फॉर्मूला यू नो, CA CF CC divided by X. Now you see, TC is not given, cooling correction is not given, that means it become 0. Cotton correction is not given, it also become 0. So the formula reduced to capital W plus small w delta T minus CA plus CF upon X. Now what is this? This value is X. What is this? Weight of water is capital W, and water equivalent, this is small w. This fuse wire correction is CF, acid correction is CA, and this one is delta T, rise in temperature. You just simply put the values and get the results. So 500 plus 2200, delta T is 2.4 minus CA. CA is 50 calories, sorry, it will be 50 calorie. 50, CF is 8 divided by X is 0.8. So if you solve this, all these values, you will get the final answer 10034. The final answer is 10034.4 calorie per gram. This is HCV, right? But you know how you can relate the HCV with NCV. Now we need to calculate the second part, NCV, net calorific value, and the relation between HCV and GCV. What is the relation between HCV and GCV? HCV is equal to HCV and NCV, sorry. So HCV is equal to NCV plus percent hydrogen, and percent hydrogen is 6, means 6 by 100 into 9 into 587, right? So because in this data we require only hydrogen, क्योंकि NCV निकालने के लिए जो टोटल हम यहाँ पर क्या यूज करते हैं, परसेंटेज हाइड्रोजन यूज करते हैं. So percentage carbon and percentage ash is useless. So 6% of hydrogen is given. So HCV is 10034.4 NCV plus 6 into 0.09 into 587. So if you solve this, the numerical values, the answer comes out to be 9823.1. 9823.1 calorie per gram. So HCV is 10034.4 calorie per gram and NCV 9823.1 calorie per gram. तो आपको NCV निकालने के लिए you know means you require percentage hydrogen. So out of this all these composition we need hydrogen only. तो हमें क्या देखना है, हाइड्रोजन ही आइडेंटिफाई करना है. और ये वाले फॉर्मूले के न्यूमेरिकल मींस if HCV is given you can calculate NCV, if NCV is given you can calculate HCV. We have already discussed in the live online live classes. So I hope you have understood both the numericals. The numericals are very simple. what you need to do, you need to put the numerical values in the formula of bomb calorimeter. One more thing, you will put only those values which are provided in the numerical. Say for example, in this numerical, TC is not given, that means you don't require to put TC in the formula. And somebody might have think कि यहाँ पर TC given नहीं है, इसका मतलब this numerical is incomplete. Not like that. Means if TC is not given, if CA not given, if CF is not given, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. जितनी values आपको दे रखी है, you should put only those values. हर value जरूरी नहीं है आपको given मिले. तो जो वैल्यूज आपको दे रखी है वही वैल्यूज आपको जो बॉम्ब कैलोरीमीटर वाला फॉर्मूला है उसमें पुट करनी है. हो सकता है ये सवाल आपके मन में आए, यार ये फॉर्मूला, ये क्वेश्चन तो इनकम्प्लीट लग रहा है क्योंकि इसमें टीसी नहीं दे रखा, इसमें सीए नहीं दे रखा, सीसी नहीं दे रखा. जब फ्यूज वायर अगर यूज कर रखी है तो इसका मतलब सीसी का कोई यूज ही नहीं है. कॉटन हम कब यूज करते हैं, जब फ्यूज वायर ना हो. तो इट इज अंडरस्टूड कि जो वैल्यूज आपके न्यूमेरिकल की स्टेटमेंट में दे रखी होगी वही वैल्यू हम फॉर्मूले में पुट करेंगे. सो वंस अगेन थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर listening and watching this video up till end, and I am very much sure that you have understood the concept. And apart from these two numerical, I will also share some practice problems on your WhatsApp group. So with this, thank you very much.